Question number 1. The process when the computer is switched on and the operating system gets loaded from hard disk to main memory is called. The correct answer is option number A, booting. Question number 2. Who was the first president of the Indian National Congress? The correct answer is option number A, Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Question number 3. In 2013, the first woman to be elected as the president of South Korea is. The correct answer is option number C, Park Geun-hye. Question number 4. The Mughal Empire was founded by. The correct answer is option number A, Babur. Question number 5. The oldest oil field in Asia is located in. The correct answer is option number B, Assam. Question number 6. How many bones does a newborn human baby have? The correct answer is option number A, 300. Question number 7. Which country built Bird's Nest Stadium for 2008 Summer Olympics? The correct answer is option number A, China. Question number 8. Which of the following colored light has the lowest frequency? The correct answer is option number C, red. Question number 9. According to the Constitution, the ratio between the length and breadth of the national tricolour should be. The correct answer is option number C, 2:3. Question number 10. In 1981, ISRO launched India's first geostationary satellite called. The correct answer is option number B, Apple. Question number 11. Which of the following was the first antibiotic discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928? The correct answer is option number A, penicillin. Question number 12. Where is White Desert is located? The correct answer is option number A, Gujarat. Question number 13. Which of the following acts under the Indian Constitution is described by Article 21A? The correct answer is option number A, right to education. Question number 14. Which of the following monuments built by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah is said to be built to commemorate the eradication of black Q? The correct answer is option number B, Char Minar. Question number 15. Which of the following is not an example of a word processor? The correct answer is option number D, Microsoft Excel. Question number 16. How high is the badminton net at the center? The correct answer is option number A, 5 feet. Question number 17. The operating system UNIX is the trademark of The correct answer is option number B, Bell Laboratories. Question number 18. The first large-scale electrical air conditioning was invented and used in 1902 by The correct answer is option number A, Willis Carrier. Question number 19. Which of the following is the most common kidney stone forming compound? The correct answer is option number A, calcium oxalate. Question number 20. In 2050, underground glaciers of frozen water were discovered on The correct answer is option number A, Mars. Question number 21. Which leader adopted Orthodox Christianity as the official religion of Russia? The correct answer is option number A, Vladimir the Great. Question number 22. Which of the following can be produced only through a sexual method? The correct answer is option number D, Annelida.
Question number 23. Who had discovered heliocentric theory? The correct answer is option number B, Galileo Galilei. Question number 24. The father of Indian space program is correct answer is option number B, Dr. Vikram A. Sarabhai. Question number 25. The filament of a light bulb is made up of. The correct answer is option number C, tungsten. Question number 26. Who among the following became the first tourist to space by spending $20 million for 8 days in orbit?
The correct answer is option number C, Dennis Quito. Question number 27. Which of the following ancient humanoid belongs to the Upper Paleolithic in Europe of modern human? The correct answer is option number B, Cro-Magnon.
Question number 28. What is C12H22O11 also known as? The correct answer is option number B, sugar.
Question number 29. In tennis, hard court is a type of court whose surface is made of. The correct answer is option number A, concentrate. Question number 30. The national song of India was composed by. The correct answer is option number B, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question number 31. Which of the following popular tourist destinations of India were built in 1911 to commemorate the visit of King George V and Queen Mary? The correct answer is option number B, Gateway of India.